So John, I told John to bring his trailer. We must have been a misunderstanding. This is a HeadCam video anyway, so it's not gonna be an overall picture. What the fuck are we doing, brother?
We're trying to get about a 500-600 pound object on the back of a pickup truck without a ramp.
Right, and your idea to get this thing on the truck, so we picked up these tires from this job too. So we're using the tires. Well, I'll let you explain it.
I think the idea is just to try to make our own set of steps. And so we're using this hitch, and we're using the tires, so the idea is to go up one at a time until we get the front tires over the end, and then it's just going to be a matter of muscling it onto the back.
Yeah, and that shouldn't be a problem.
Hopefully.
I mean, I think I can muscle, because the engine's the heaviest part, and it's at the front.
Okay.
And once we get that, I think we just scoot it over.
All right.
All right, so we're going HeadCam right now, guys. Wish us some luck again. We have a riding lawnmower that's worthless. This is, by the way, this is a small paying job. And I got stuck out here. Honestly, I thought I was coming for a mattress, but then I got out here and I saw this 500-pound thing, and I'm screwed. Didn't want to turn down the job. That's one thing Junk Guys never turn down.
Good job.
That's right. You see that right on cue. We practice that. All right. By the way, John needs a haircut.
Okay, I'm growing a wig with a kid with cancer that I met. My hair has made me $1,600. Women love this story. I'm not kidding.
I believe it.
Women love this story.
All right. Well, keep your hair then.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Cute kid.
I bet.
A month and a half ago.
All right, dude. Okay. You got a good angle there, or what's up? I'm gonna try to lift it, John, and then you just try to.
Okay.
You got a good place?
Yeah, I think you can put your hand right here and right here.
You think so?
Yeah. So you
right here.
Your back. Are you ready? One. Watch your hand when we come up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we gotta rethink this.
The tires. The tires. You know what, John? I think I can even lift it like this.
Okay, let's try 1, 2.
Look at that. Back the fucking truck up. I'll back the fucking truck up.
Okay. I got it.
All right, move, you know what? It sits in place.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. All right, let me move the tires.
I'll tell you what.
Well, that was easier.
Are we on right now?
On video?
Camera on?
Yeah. No, we can talk shit.
Okay.
It's a what do you call it? Hey, don't you think I should remove the hitch?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, this shit just got complicated. I'm gonna get so many comments on this video. You should have done this. It's either if you would have brought a hitch, I mean a different trailer.
Here, Mike Feeney.
Oh fuck. I would have done a job like that.
You know what I would have done? You know what I would have done?
Yo, I'm gonna tell you, that's a job.
Give me a monster.
Well, go fucking me.
I look like I have cancer.
He can hear you. Yeah, no shit, right?
Give me about another 4 inches. That's what she said. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
This is gonna be flat out.
Balls out heavy.
Balls out heavy.
Hey, let's I got a secret thing inside.
Move all this shit.
Yeah. Just put it on the ground right now. I got something, John. I got a little secret. Yeah, I got something. Yeah. What's that? That's Never used this in my life. Yep, that's what she said. I've never used one of these jumps. I just got it from a junkie room the other day. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, here, pull on this. Hold on, it's locked. It's locked. Let go. You got a trailer, this pull. Right. Oh, here it is, John. Go ahead, pull. Oh, okay, I see. Go ahead. Oh, what a beast! And then has oh shit! Get your ass over there then. Yeah, that's what she said. Oh, John, here, what the fuck are you going? Here. Okay. Push this together. I know that one. That's what she said. Okay, that's it. That's all we got. Right here in this little hole. We're not going to use for a lot of pressure. Oh, in that hole?
We all want little holes.
Oh, this is cool. What a piece of machinery. Oh fuck, why don't you just let them come along do it? That's what she said. Fuck it. This is an adventure. Oh man, you might as well just pull it up.
Alright, now. You said you never used it.
Come on, John, keep on going.
This thing snaps.
Oh, that thing's not gonna snap? Are you? Oh, from your end.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that thing's not snapping. John, look at this thing. You're gonna stop fucking playing. Hey, let's lift it from here then. Let's lift it. John, we got it, John. We got it. That thing's a beast! Oh, they're like 4,000 pounds.
Yeah.
That is fucking awesome, dude. Lace it back up. I'm using that from now on. Here, I'll give it a little friction while you loose it up. Go ahead. Wow, that is awesome, dude.
Nice. This is a good one. Looks American made.
Nah, probably not.
You think so?
Nah.
I know these are.
Yeah?
Highly illegal to have.
Oh yeah?
You can have US or Australian, I believe. Yeah, that's the oil industry now.
You know what? Yeah, shut up, man.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think you know what the fuck you're talking about, to be honest. Yeah. I don't know what you're fucking saying.
Oh, that's right.
No, your shit
My
that...
videos are 20 seconds long. I'm not used to it.
A long one? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have done it. John and his idea of using a come along, and it worked. This is awesome. It actually worked, and John did most of the job. It's funny, he drove all the way down here. He wanted to get out of the fucking house is what he was trying to do. And we got it on here. We're just gonna push it a little. You know what, John? I wanted you to move that tire, bro, because that tire's not letting us. That last tire. So now John's getting back on there. But look what we did. We used to come along, we attached it to the, he had it lifted. John did most of the work. He had it lifted already. So that's awesome. I did have to take off the hitch so it could work. I'm about to attach this back on, and then we're just gonna scoot it over, and that's all. And we're done. We're gonna put the railing, and that's it. So we're done, John. That's good.
You got a strap?
No, fuck that. The thing, John. The thing.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, guys, that's gonna end it for us. This was a HeadCam video. Pretty cool video. I'm just gonna put this, oh, that's for something else. Right over there. Leave it like that. I'll get it. I'm gonna do this really quick and get the fuck out of here. Over and out. HeadCam video.